Hello everyone and welcome to MAS Community Health's PIMSY training. PIMSY is our EMR system, or our electronic medical record system. This is where we keep all of our electronic medical records for our clients, as well as where you're going to be doing your calendar for your appointments, as well as doing all of your notes. So let's dive in and get started. So up here you'll see the PIMSY Sun icon. When you first get your computer, you should see this icon, double click on it. I always receive a security warning. It's absolutely fine. Just hit open. And so here is the login screen. You put in your login ID, which is your first initial and your last name, and then your password to start out with is always all lowercase PIMSY. So I'm going to be using a test user today, and I'm going to hit login. So when you get to your home screen is going to show a beautiful picture of some flowers, maybe a field. That has been turned off for performance issues with test users. It just makes everything faster so that there's no delay. What we're going to be focusing on today is this upper left-hand corner with all of the different quick access buttons. So you can go to your clients, today's clients, if you have appointments in PIMSY, in the My Sal calendar area. And Sal represents service activity log. It's all of your appointments that you create in PIMSY. You'd also be able to see a global view of your notes and then requests. So we're going to be going over requests later in the day, and requests are all about requesting your supervisor to do an action, such as signing or reviewing paperwork that has been saved into the client chart under the working folder. So just so that everyone is aware, there are a lot of different places and ways to do the same thing in PIMSY. We have these quick access buttons, but if you go to the utilities, you can still get to the requests, or you can go to your Sal calendar from there if you happen to not be on the home screen and you happen to be someplace else within PIMSY and you want to quickly access that. Same thing with clients. If you happen to be in the calendar or in reports and you wanted to go into client management, you'd be able to do that from this taskbar up top. The Windows bar is always really great because it shows all the different open windows that you might have. We've only clicked on the home screen, so we're only seeing the home screen, but it's a great way to jump between different screens. If you ever need help, please contact the EMR coordinator and not access this help button directly, just because we have policies and procedures surrounding that. And then if you ever wanted to lock your account, if you were going away from your desk, you can do that and then sign back in without having to completely log out. And if you do need to log out, you can do that right here. So that's just a little bit of a picture of the home screen. We're going to dive right in right now and look at the client management section.